Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now, a little bit of a different video today. You have joined me from not too far from Stockholm, Sweden. I've travelled all the way here to get my new Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Now, obviously I'm joking, we're here for a few days in Stockholm. I plan to get a BMW 3 Series. They ran out of BMW 3 Series. They was going to offer me a BMW 1 Series, but they said that's kind of like a downgrade, so they gave me an E-Class instead, which apparently is a free upgrade. So I think while I have the car, I may as well show you around it, show you what I do like about it and what I don't like about it, and make this a little bit of a review. So we will get on the road. We've got some driving to do today, and yeah, hopefully we get a good feel for the car. Let's do it. Okay, let's get on the way. And first thing I want to point out, this shifter stalk here feels so cheap.
On the right, remember?
Yeah, on the right. I will do that again. What does it say? Okay, so we're on the road now then. First thing I want to point out, the shifter stalk, very, very cheap. It's like it's straight out of a Mercedes Sprinter. I'm pretty sure they use the same one. Same with the indicator stalk as well, which this is a Mercedes E-Class. It's supposed to be a luxury car. So to have something that feels so cheap and plasticky is not the best. I mean, this is only a E213D, which I think they're 2.2 litre diesel. You Mercedes guys might know better than me, but I think that's what it is. So, you know, I'm not expecting too much in terms of like the power and all the rest of it, but the interior trim should really be up to scratch. And yeah, some things do look quite nice. It does look quite classy in here, but some of the materials are pretty cheap and plasticky, and I'm not really a fan of that. I don't really know what I think about the screens though. Obviously we have a huge infotainment screen there, and it's good to see the maps and all the rest of it, but I feel like it just takes up half of the dashboard, and I'm not a fan of the digital displays, you know, the digital dials. I prefer analog dials. Call me old school, but that's just what I prefer. But you know, it is what it is. That's the way that cars are heading nowadays. They're turning more digital and less analog, you know, year upon year. So it's kind of one of those things that we've got to live with, I suppose. But yeah, I haven't really noticed too many things that I dislike in here. It is comfortable, you know, I've got to say that. But I'm not overly impressed. It hasn't like blew me away. I'm guessing this is a what, 50 or 60,000 pound car when new, and I don't know what year this is. It's got to be fairly new because it's a rental car and it's only done 20,000 kilometers, so I'm guessing it's fairly new. Okay, a couple more things I quite like about this car. The fact that you have the speed limit for the road. I guess it's not like an exclusive Mercedes thing. It's probably on all new cars today, but yeah, I'm a fan of that because it helps keep you in check, make sure that you're not speeding or whatever. And the gearbox as well, I'm a big fan of this transmission. It's an 8-speed. I'm not sure if it's a ZF 8-speed, it could be. But yeah, it's silky smooth. You don't even know you're changing gear, so yeah, I'm a fan of this. Okay, so we have came to this national park, which I believe is sort of southwest to Stockholm. No idea the name of it. If I do find it, I will show you. But yeah, we're just gonna, I think, walk around and see what's up here for a couple of hours. If I see anything interesting, I will let you guys know, and yeah, we'll go from there. Tyresta National Park. That's where we are. Right, let's go. Which way are we going then? Dahlgränsgarden, Handen Etap, W213. No idea what any of them mean. Here's where we are at the moment. Quite nice here. There's like some sort of platform, I think, over there. We're going to head to there. I think you can get a decent view. There's supposed to be like some birds and other flying objects around, but I guess it's, you know, it's pretty cold. The lake's frozen, so it's I don't know how much of that we're going to be able to see, but yeah, it's nice here, isn't it? Nice here, isn't it?
Stop!
Quite nice here,
I'm
isn't
not
it?
being in this vlog.
It's nice here, ain't it? Take 48. It's nice here, isn't it? Yeah. So this is where we are currently then. Just basically a huge pine forest. It's completely silent. Can't hear a thing here. It's lovely. So we're just walking through the middle of the forest then, and what we have noticed, there is these little platforms every so often, like with a number on, so I don't know if they have some sort of race here. We also noticed this as well, which is obviously a rear axle of some kind. It can't be off a car because it's just, you know, not wide enough. It must be off some sort of quad bike or an ATV or something. So I don't know if they have some sort of, you know, race or marathon through here, because obviously there is tracks, so yeah, that would make sense. But yeah, interesting. As we're now back to the car, then I thought I'd just give you a quick tour around just to show you kind of what it looks like. So I don't know if this is a sport model. I don't think it is. I don't think it's an AMG line or anything like that. I can tell from the wheels. These are pretty basic spec wheels, but you know, they don't look too bad, to be honest. As you can hear, that 2.2 litre diesel engine purring away. Yeah, I'm really not a fan of these, you know, how they look from the exterior, to be honest. And are these exhausts real? No, they're fake. Fake exhaust. Yeah, oh, I can't stand that. Oh yeah, fake exhaust tips. Really cannot stand that. Have a look in the interior. This is the back seat. Notice how it's not even full leather, it's half leather. I assume this is real leather, but yeah. Then we've got the fabric, which they are comfortable, but you would expect full leather in an E-Class, really, wouldn't you? And here is the front. Here's the cockpit. Again, half leather. Door cards are quite nice, quite soft to touch. The buttons, they do feel quite premium. Heated seat control. I assume that's for ventilated seats, which who's going to have ventilated seats in Sweden? But yeah, here's the dash. You've already seen it. Quite a nice place to be. Let's just pop the bonnet while we can. And there it is. Jesus, the size of that DPF. That is huge. Now let's get on the road. Okay, so of course we have left the national park now. We're just in the city centre of Stockholm. First time driving in the city, and we've chose a good time to do that as well. It must be rush hour or something. It's like 4 PM on a Friday. Very, very busy, like a stereotypical European city. Very busy, lots of people everywhere. But we're heading to the Christmas markets, which should be nice. So we'll head around there and hopefully get some food or something, because I'm getting pretty hungry now. And yeah, we'll just see what's up. Okay then guys, so we went into Stockholm, of course, and we was trying to find the markets, the Christmas markets. No idea where they were. It did look a bit Christmassy. There was an ice rink, there was, you know, lights and all the rest of it, but yeah, we couldn't find a market as such. So we just had a good look round, had a look in some department stores, and then we decided that it was a bit cold. It was like -3, so yeah, we decided to have a pretty early night tonight. We're gonna go and get some food now. I'm probably just gonna get a KFC because that's the kind of person I am. I go abroad to a different country and I never seem to try any of their food. that's pretty much me down to a T. But no, I really I feel pretty tired today. I haven't slept that well in the past couple of days, so yeah, I'm just gonna go there and then we're gonna go back and have a fairly early night. Okay then guys, so we did have dinner, heading back to the hotel now. I am absolutely shattered. It's been a pretty long day. I need a good night's sleep. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. I don't really know if I'm going to be making any more videos on this car. Of course, my channel is predominantly a BMW channel. I might make 1 or 2 more though, we shall see. But yeah, hopefully it's gave you a little insight as to what you could expect from a Mercedes E-Class of this year. I guess it's a 2020, 2021. My overall thoughts, it's alright. It's definitely not my cup of tea. I'm not a massive fan of Mercedes in general. I much prefer BMWs, but with that being said, I'm also not a massive fan of new cars in general, so even the newer BMW stuff I'm not a big fan of. But yeah, that's we'll leave it at that, shall we? But yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed it anyway. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll see you all in the next one.